Hi everyone. Today we learn a lot about light. Turn off the light in your room at night and what do you see? Nothing. So what should we do now? Let's turn the light back on. Now what do you see? Now I see my room filled with everything. So what do we need light for? We need it to see things, right? So what is light? It is a form of energy that travels in a straight line and is lightning fast. Whoosh! Nothing in this universe is faster than the speed of light. Now light can just be colored light or white light. What would you like to see? Colored light, right? So let's see some hearts with colored light. This is a red heart with red color. Next we have a green heart with green color and then a blue heart with blue colors. Why did we choose these three colors? Because these are the primary colors. Primary colors are those colors with which we can make any color in the universe. Just mix these colors and you get a new color. For example, if you mix red with green, what you get is yellow, right? Similarly, if you mix red with yellow, then what you get is orange. Now if you mix red with black, what you get is brown. So you can try a lot of mixing of colors with your watercolors too if you like to paint. Next, if we add white light to each of these primary colors, we get a lighter shade, like red plus white gives you pink color. Similarly, green plus white gives you light green. Okay, and blue plus white gives you light blue. Now some more fun facts of light. When light falls on a shining surface, it bounces back. This is called reflection of light. I'm sure you've seen yourself in a mirror. Does your reflection look exactly like you? Well, it appears to, but actually no. Now, let us take a picture and reflect it from a mirror. This is a mirror. So what you get is a lateral inversion of your own image. That is, the left becomes right and the right becomes left. If you see this green image on the right of the original picture, it comes to the left, and the blue picture here, which is to the left, comes to the right. Similarly, let's take the letters of the alphabet and reflect them. Let's start with A. What happens to the letter A? After reflection, nothing. It remains the same. Why? Because the left and right of A are the same. Now let's take the letter B. What happens here? Does it remain the same? No. So you can check all the letters of the alphabet and see what happens to them. Finally, let's take a string of stars and reflect them. So this is the string of star, and after reflection from this mirror, this is what we get. The big star on the right comes to the left and the small stars on the left come to the right. This is called lateral inversion. Another cool property of light is refraction. If light falls on a transparent object, it can't bounce back. Instead, it passes through it. The bending of light when light travels from one medium to another is called refraction. For example, let's take a glass filled half with water and half air and dip a big spoon in this. So light travels in air in this path shown in red, and after it goes to water, it travels in another path. Notice that it's slightly bent. This bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is refraction, and this is a good example to understand. Now the final mystery, what happens to light when it falls on an object that is neither transparent nor shining? Such objects are called opaque. Example, a ball, your friends, your books, your toys, or anything you can't see through. When light from the sun falls on this ball, it casts a shadow because it cannot pass through. In the same way, you can see your own shadow under the sun, or you can see the shadow of your house, the trees, etc. I think that is enough for today. Watch my other videos to learn more. Besides this, you'll learn much more as you grow up. And by the way, did you know that the study of light is also called optics? Thank you for watching. Goodbye, optics kids.